I'm Dr. Pallavi Sarji Utkarsh. Lasers are very effective when it comes to the treatment of acne scar or open pores. Lasers basically stimulate the collagen production when they irritate this top layer of the skin, and this collagen basically helps in masking that scar. So it helps in that healing process and makes your skin actually much better. So lasers are really effective when it comes to acne scar. Lasers are really effective in a sun damaged or photo aged skin. So there are different varieties of lasers, as I said. So some of these lasers do work at the pigment, and they basically help to break down the pigment and helps to clear off the pigment which is induced because of the sun exposure or because of some of the blue light. Hence it helps in sun damaged skin also. So there are certain lasers which are used in skin resurfacing. So as we age, basically what happens, our collagen production comes down. Hence our skin starts sagging and our fine wrinkles will appear. Whereas these laser basically they stimulate our collagen. So as a result of the collagen, our collagen production increases, our skin starts becoming more tighter, and you basically will get that youthful look and skin becomes more firmer and more tight. Laser is used for multiple purposes. If you're gone for a laser hair removal, after the laser hair removal, we just apply some, soothing agents and some of the moisturizers and sun protection. If you've gone for a skin resurfacing through lasers, where we have used ablative lasers, maybe CO2 fractional laser, where basically skin needs a little bit more healing. During that time, we basically tell you to apply the antiseptic ointment and protect your skin from the sun exposure and avoid all these any of these irritants on the skin, maybe any of these glycolic acid or any of these tretinoin ointments, or it could be vitamin C. We ask you to avoid all the what are the molecules you use routinely because they may cause certain irritation, and just to stick with the protocol of using antiseptics, moisturizer, that's it. Laser technology has come a long way and there is a lot of advancement, and there are variety of lasers. There are ablative as well as non-ablative lasers where you can use these lasers for various options. It could be treating your acne scar, maybe treating the pigment on your skin, melasma, a deeper melasma like a dermal melasma, or maybe removing the tattoo, or treating a photo damage or a sun damaged skin, or maybe just skin resurfacing, increasing the collagen and basically giving you a youthful skin by making your skin more firmer. Laser is a wonderful choice.